Okay, so I need to sort this mess out, and how I'm gonna do is adding a little bit more plastic, of course. Here you go, and a little bit more plastic to it, and even more plastic to it. There you go, some bit more plastic. Oh, it's not gonna even fit here. There you go, all the plastic gonna go in there. There you go, let's try and do that. I need to remove these bits. Not sure how. There you go. That's removed. And that's done. Cool. These bits, it's probably glued in. Yeah. They need to come out, I think. Yeah, they need to come out because they're gonna be like that. Let's remove this. Yeah, so these are original parts. There you go, these are original from Ender 3. Great, so now I can put this like that. There you go, cool, already great. So that's good. Okay, next side. There you go. There's a little bit too long, my bolts, but well, I could add some shims, but yeah, I wouldn't bother for now. It's still good. Yeah, there you go. It stands now. A little bit elevated, so that's great. And disconnect the electronics, so I'm gonna take out the power supply. There you go. Let's move. There you go, power supply out. Let's try and do the front now. It's too big, and now it's good. There you go, let's remove this and this. There you go. And let's disconnect this. Yay. There you go. It's gonna go in the new here you go, new enclosure, and it's gonna lose Ender. Oh, I'm not happy about it. But oh well, because it was my first printer ever. And yeah, I feel a little bit nostalgic about it. But as I said, there's not a lot what's left originally. Okay, cool. So what we're gonna need to do some extensions, and I believe they're gonna go here, like that. There you go, bish bash bosh, and now everything's correct, and here you go, all as intended, and also this looks great, you know, and all of that. There you go, cool. So these parts are done. Let's attach those to here. So let's check how we're gonna attach it. So one's gonna go here, yeah, and another's gonna go here, like that. And great, so that's done. Here you go. You have a frame. So we're gonna put some stuff in here, I guess, somehow. Not sure which ones goes in the front. Let's check 3D model. Cool. So this is gonna go like this. Let's add this and swish like this. Right. And another one like this. Great. That's done. Now let's do this one. Cool. Great. So there's these bits go over, but oops. I'm gonna grab some black bolts to screw them, because that's gonna look much better. There you go, cool. I have that, and now I assume I could do, what's this? Oh. Is this gonna go in here to add? Probably, yeah. It's gonna go like that. I assume somehow. Oh, there you go, like that. So it has to go like that. Cool. There you go. We leave the knob here for now. Oh, can't see it. Can't see the best part. There you go. Some original Ender 3 part. There you go, knob. It's not pressing. Okay, maybe I need to screw it a little bit tighter. try and put, yeah, other side. There you go. Can you see it? Yeah, maybe not. Okay, can I take this off? Yeah, I can. Okay, so I don't want to take this off yet. Oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. So this is Y and stop. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect the Y motor out. We have, here we go. So this is what we have here. Something doesn't allow me to take completely out, leave this Z and stop. There you go, so that's taken out. Okay, I will need to take out everything from here. This can go here, like that. Let's move it like that. So this electronic gonna go over underneath, and also the power supply, which is here. There you go. Great. Now, what I can do, I can add these somehow. Think like this. There you go. Like this. And this one, oh, it's wrong one. Yeah, it's wrong one. Do I have the proper one? Yeah, I have the proper one. Okay, here you go. And this one's gonna go there. Great. And that's also very great. There you go. And unscrew this. It's done. Great. There you go. Grab this and like this. Drop it there. Great. That's out. And this one I need to unscrew. I'm gonna grab a little bit. So here you go, live here, neutral here, and earth. It's this one. There you go. So that's done. Oh, you can see here some stuff. I had to change the wires and connector because it was burning. So yeah, one of the defects in Ender 3. Okay, let's see if we can put this in here. Yeah, great. That's done. Here you go, super silent fan. Is it this one? Yeah, here you go. It fits. I'm not sure how you're supposed to hold it. Maybe just push fit. I don't know. Let's check. Oh god, it's 12 volt. Do I have anything 12 volt in here? I have a fan 12 volts. Noctua fan 12 volt and buck converter. Yeah, great. So that should work. There you go. So I'm gonna put it like that. Oh, nice. So yeah, let's put that in. And that's done. Great. Looks good already. It looks amazing. Now what I need to do is try and fit all the electronics. Great. I found them 4 and the right length also. There you go, and you can screw that in. Quite hard to do it with one hand, that's why we're using build plate. There you go. That's great. One done. Let's move it here. And another gonna go in here. Cool. So this is done. Now let me think about how I can move it so we can attach Raspberry Pi and the motherboard to the frame. Okay, great. I'll put it like that. I like it very much. So this is gonna go like that. Motherboard. So it's gonna go something like this, I think, or maybe like this. Yeah, something like this. Right. Okay, so I attached the power supply, but I still need to connect it. I extended the leads to go into here. Gonna do that. A Raspberry Pi gonna go in like this, so I can put it here like that. Great. And another one. Great, it's not gonna go anywhere. And then this up top here, something like this. There you go. Short, stumpy screwdriver. Gonna finish it off like that. There you go. And also this one like that. Good. I can put it properly in. There you go. Even this stumpy, it's a little bit too much. Oh well. There you go. Slowly by slowly. And I hope I did. I think I printed the right bracket. Well, we'll see, I guess, in this or next video. Here you go. I also started disassembling the fan, so I need to crimp different connectors onto here. So yeah, let me do that.